Health coaches help their clients identify their health and wellness issues and collaborate to develop strategies to overcome them. Regular check-ins are an important part of the health coach-client relationship to provide encouragement and advice and to adapt strategies as needed. A health coaching business can operate on several levels, whether in person, over the phone, and online via email, Skype, and other platforms. Since more and more people do not have time in their hectic schedules to set up regular meetings with a health coach, online health coaching has become a growing trend. A virtual health coach can help their clients achieve wellness goals just as effectively as meeting with them in person. Are you looking for the best health coaching program that will give you the training and skills needed to launch your online health coaching business? Training as a functional diagnostic nutrition FDN practitioner will give you the skills and tools that separate you from other practitioners. FDN health coaches never run out of potential clients, making them the most successful in the world of health and wellness. And that's it for this week's Functional Diagnostic Nutrition Vlog of the Week. Isn't it time you help your clients on a deeper level?